Okay, the tantrum, it's still the third, and he's done tantruming over his rattle. Now he's finally playing with this chain. See how long that lasts. You push the eggs? Look at the eggs. Look at your eggs. Oh, he's going crazy. The crazy bird. Look at that crazy bird. Crazy, crazy bird. Playing with his toy. He's trying to get his chain off, and I hope he don't, because that'll keep him busy. He's playing with his new toy. Playing with one of his new toys. Yes, he is. And yours comes in so nice and clear this time. There's the 2 eggs. I don't know if he'll knock them down again. You find out one way. Bogey, can you knock your eggs? Look, Bogey, look, look. Knock the eggs. Look, look, look. Look, Bogey, look, eggs, eggs. Look, eggs. He just wants to play with that chain. And see, he's pretty smart. Look at, he's trying to undo that latch. It's not going to be easy. But believe me, he's a determined bird. Can you push the eggs? Push. Push the egg. Push the egg, birdie. Push the egg. Can you let Mama put the egg over there? Look. Whoops, Mama do it. There, see? You push an egg? Push an egg. Nope. Mama made the egg fall. Mama did. Mama made the egg fall. There. Push the eggs. He just wants to play with that chain. Mama gonna need a drink. Mama need her Coke. Coca-Cola time, birdie. Time for a drink of Diet Coke. This is part 2 of Don't Touch My Rattle. Well, he did touch the bell. Touch the bell again. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the pipe bell again. Touch the bell. Can you ring the bell? Oh, good job. Good job. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Did you see him ring the bell? I guess he likes noise. Good job. Do it again. Do it again. Can you ring the bell again? Ring the bell. Ring your bell. Make the noise. Make the noise. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Ding, dong. Ding, dong. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, good job. Good job. But I don't know what to give you. Here, you want some treat? Want some of this? Nope, he doesn't want that. He's on a fit today. Don't want anything. Gonna knock him over? Can I get that one over? There, let's see if he'll knock that one over. Well, he did, but I don't think he meant to. Do this one. He did it. He did do it. Whoops, Mama made it go. Oh, Mama made it go again. I didn't catch if he did it or if it just simply fell. Well, that fell. He's just not able to do it, Bogey. Mama can't do it and hold the camera at the same time. I don't know. Did you see him push the eggs? I think he did a little bit. Push the eggs. Here, what if I put it there? Okay, do it there. Push the egg. Push the eggs. Push the egg. Ding, ding. Good job. Ding that bell. Ding that bell. Get that bell. Push the egg. Good job. Good job. You're doing a lot. You're doing a lot. Here, look. Do it. Push. Push. Push the egg. Push the egg. Push. You push it. Push. Push. Come on. Push. Push. There he goes. Where you going? You gonna push the egg? Push the egg. Good job. Good job. There's my boy. He won't even let me get it up there. Oh, you big. Look at how big. I can't even make you smaller. I can't make you small again. Well, gonna get my fingers. He's going to get my fingers. Ding the bell. Ding the bell. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Are you done? Did you have fun? Huh? Did you get it out of your system? Huh? Did you get it done? Here, do you want it? You sure you don't want this now? You sure you don't want that for a treat? Whoops. Whoops. Put a bell up there. Good try. Uh-oh, noise alert. May have to stop. Say bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and to like me.